My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. My office has developed one of the nation's leading practices devoted to drafting, negotiating, and litigating software-related agreements with vendors like Oracle, Microsoft, and SAP. Now, one of the common questions our clients typically ask in the context of a software maintenance agreement is, what are the key issues in this software maintenance agreement that I need to be aware of? And I think one of the first things that you want to do is focus on defining a structure by which the maintenance services are going to be provided to you. I think it's all too common for users to actually focus instead on the particular fix they want and put that in the agreement and then ask the vendor to agree to that. And I think it is incredibly difficult and unlikely for any vendor to agree to provide an actual fix to something that they don't even know or are aware of beforehand in the contract. You want to focus on defining a structure by which a fix is going to be provided to you, and you want to have a structure in the contract that defines how the parties are going to interact to get to that fix. So for example, you want to set out a scenario where the vendor is going to be obligated to respond to you within a period of time, be it 4 hours, 2 hours, whatever it is. And you want to go through that software maintenance process and have a process that is escalating the vendor response, which would ultimately culminate in a site visit by the vendor to address whatever software issue you are having with the particular software that you have licensed. One of the other issues that you want to focus on in the software maintenance agreement is the provision of updates and upgrades to you. And I think sometimes it is common for updates and upgrades to be provided to you under the software license agreement, but I think it's more common that they are actually provided to you as a part of the software maintenance agreement. And if that is the case in your particular situation, you want to understand exactly what is being provided to you, what the vendor obligation is with the provision of those updates and upgrades, and you want to understand what the price is for those updates and upgrades. And it is incredibly common and advisable for users to negotiate some sort of a cap on maintenance. One of the final things that you want to focus on in any software maintenance agreement is what type of plan are you going to purchase. It is common for vendors to have different tiers of support. So for example, some vendors will offer, say, a gold plan provided at, say, 25% of the software license agreement price, a bronze plan for 12% of the software agreement price, whatever it is. You need to understand what you are buying, what it obligates the vendor to do, and you also need to make sure that that particular plan is appropriate for the resources you have in-house to actually manage the software. If you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of our other videos, please feel free to give our office a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.